9 Biggest Turn-Ons for Guys. Do you think men are a little mysterious? If so, you are not alone. Understanding what turns men on may be fascinating, but it can also add to the confusion. Even if you're a natural flirt, knowing the biggest male turn-ons will help you knock his socks off. Sure, you may rely on your natural charm, but when you figure out exactly what he's searching for, prepare for a whole new level of adoration. Knowing what turns a guy on may be an extremely useful tool for any woman looking to spice up her love relationship. Turn-ons do not necessarily have to be sexual. A simple, ordinary action might make him happy he's with you. So, if you really want to turn guys on, keep watching. What turns a guy on and drives him crazy with desire? Do you ever wonder whether there are a few random male turn-ons that arouse them uncontrollably simply by looking at you, even if you do nothing sexual? Or the kinds of things you can do in a sexual environment to drive him crazy? When it comes to being aroused, physical looks are really important for a male. However, appearances and assets by themselves do not stimulate a man. What you do with what you have is what matters. There are a few physical turn-ons for men that are absolutely irresistible. So get ready with a notepad. Here are the 9 biggest turn-ons for men. 1. Your appearance. I hate to be the one who tells you to dress sexily and take care of your looks, but the truth is that the majority of men are turned on by what they see. You may pretend this isn't true and disregard it, but the reality is that males are attracted to how you look. I'm not saying that in order to draw in and keep a guy, you need to start going to the gym, wear a lot of makeup, or dress very sensually. I'm just pointing out that there are some really basic things you can do to ensure you look your best. What you wear. Instead of wearing exposing clothes to get your man on, choose clothes that highlight your greatest features. If you are naturally curvaceous and have an hourglass shape, wear outfits that highlight it. If you have wonderful legs, do not hide them in big pants. Instead, wear a skirt or figure-hugging trousers. If you look good in lingerie, make sure you get the right lingerie for your body type. I hope you got the picture. Makeup and hair. More makeup isn't always a good thing. Again, the objective is to use makeup to highlight your best features and conceal any flaws. If you already have flawless skin, you won't need much foundation. However, if you are experiencing a breakout, feel free to cover up the problem areas using concealer. The trick is to try new things. Try bringing more attention to your eyes with your makeup one night out, then less attention to them the next. The same is true for your hairstyle. Do you wear it up, down, or in a ponytail? Again, you should experiment to find what piques your man's interest the most. 2. Flirtatious touch. The list of a man's biggest turn-ons is limitless. However, flirtatious physical contact always appears to come out on top. If you're feeling adventurous, you can touch his leg with yours while dining, or place your hands on his legs while talking. You may even pretend to fix your shoes while holding his hand, or you can softly touch his hand while playing around with his accessories. Playful wrestling fights and cuddling up close are other guaranteed methods to get his heart pumping. Subtle body language, such as touches, works extremely well to turn on a man. 3. Passionate kisses. Passionate kisses are a guaranteed way to make any man feel special. These intimate experiences may be emotionally satisfying for both partners, in addition to fueling the flames of desire. Passionate kisses are one of the most powerful turn-ons for males in particular. It ought to involve slow and soft actions with profound intensity. This level of closeness fosters emotional connection as well as physical desire. A lengthy, lingering kiss, for example, begins gently and eventually becomes increasingly intense as both lovers give way to their desires. Exploring each other's mouths and faces with lips and tongues adds to the thrill for both parties. 4. Playful teasing. When it comes to knowing what drives men on, playful teasing may be a great approach to entice a partner. Teasing can be a lot of fun and may frequently lead to an increased sense of excitement between two individuals, which can lead to more closeness. One of the biggest turn-ons for males is playful teasing. For example, while you're out with your man in public, you may offer him a cheeky smile or wink from across the room. In private, you may whisper something romantic into his ear or stroke the tips of your fingers delicately down his neck while talking. These delicate movements will undoubtedly set his heart pounding and ignite a flame of passion between you two. 5. Showcase your feminine features. The phrase feminine features can apply to a number of different things. The most visible is a woman's physical appearance, her curves, complexion, hair, and general body form, as we discussed earlier. However, feminine features can be both physical and mental attributes that men find appealing. Men are physically drawn to women who are confident in their femininity. This might entail wearing dresses or skirts, applying makeup, or simply exuding elegance. Mentally speaking, men value it when women demonstrate kindness, empathy, and compassion to others. Men are also drawn to intelligence in women. Someone who can have a fascinating discussion or has an informed view on a subject can be very appealing. 6. Sexy scent. A sensual aroma is high on the list of appealing features for males when it comes to the biggest turn-ons. The right scent may capture and enchant a guy, leaving him with a lasting image of the lady wearing it in his head. Sweet fragrances are frequently connected with femininity and may be quite appealing to a possible partner. Fruity or flowery smells, such as light traces of jasmine or lavender, combined with mild citrus or berry notes, are very popular among men. These combinations create an airy and romantic ambience that many men find alluring. Warm vanilla-based fragrances give out an enticing aroma that will have men wanting more. 7. If you wear contacts, try glasses instead. No, you will not appear dorky. Glasses are popular, and many men prefer the look. Not only would wearing glasses every now and then be a turn-on, especially since men like it when you're confident enough to become very comfortable, but it'll also be good for your eyes. Whether they remind him of a hot librarian or the first time you spent the night at his house, your spectacles are bound to provoke a reaction. 8. Give him a spontaneous neck massage. If your partner enjoys being touched, he'll probably like an unexpected neck rub. He'll like it much more if you research a few helpful techniques before getting started. Not only may massages improve mood, but he'll also appreciate that you're paying attention to him. The rub will be successful without a doubt if he has been under a lot of stress or has a job that requires a lot of physical labor. 9. Get him into the car, but don't let him know where you're going. Men enjoy being surprised. If you have an adventure in mind that he isn't aware of, you'll get significant points with a thrill seeker. Simply make sure that he will have a great time wherever you go. Not the mall. For example, since you need to buy a new pair of heels for yourself. You could even want to think about blindfolding him during the trip, if you're feeling adventurous. Just keep in mind that not everyone enjoys wearing a blindfold, so if he starts to feel a bit uneasy about it, make sure he understands that it is not required for the experience. Well, that's all about it. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.